Hello everyone. If you want to add your website in your Brave browser as a whitelist, so I will show you step by step how to whitelist a website in your Brave browser. So open your Brave browser first and then go to a website that you want to add as whitelist. So what you need to do is try to find three horizontal lines and go to your setting. Okay, so in your setting, you need to go to your privacies and security. You can find this option in your left corner. Click it and go to size and shield setting here. So if you want to uh, y- scroll down until you see part S and you read your right. So if you want to this site can send pop-ups to show advertisements or use reader right to lead you a website you may not want to visit or not. You can add whatever. So the default behaviors of the sites is automatically follow this setting. Like if you want to go to site can send pop-up and use redirect or not if you don't allow site to send pop-ups or use redirect. So you can also customize your behavior live if you want to don't allow product or use redirect you can add or not if you just want to allow to send products and use redirect you can use this one. So if you were to add, what you need to do first is try to add an option and then you need to copy it aside and here you just need to paste your website. Okay, so you can also manage the setting from here like this in your setting. If you want autoplays or Google sign-ins or Leo AIs or other lots of options, you can manage from here. If you want to allow some block, you can choose whatever you like. If you want to block autoplay, just click block. Or not, if you want to reset, you can also reset. Or not, if you want to delete your old data, you can delete data from here. So go back to your YouTube's and then you can see show setting in your taskbar. So in your taskbar, try to find a show setting beside the triangle icons here. So if you scroll down for this side, just open and you can check five trigger advertisements or more block. You can manage if you want to block advertisements or whatever you can. And if you want to allow, you can allow it. And also you can manage a lot of privacy setting if you want to block third-party cookies or not if you want to block scripts or not if you want to track whatever you can do like this. So this is how to whitelist a website in Brave browser. And also, turn a shield for the specific website. If you want to close, you can. So it's nothing. If you want to open, you can tap the shield settings and just click open like this. So Brave will also remember when you enter a website, like when you keep on your Brave setting. So if you go to YouTube, Brave will remember. That's for all. Thank you so much for watching, guys.